Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to add or update your bio on the Busuu app using your phone. This is an important feature because it lets other learners know more about you and helps you connect with people who share your language goals. First, open the Busuu app on your phone. Next, click on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Among the options, click on About Me. Here, you will be able to enter a short bio about yourself. You can write about your language learning journey, your hobbies, or any other details you would like to share with other users. After you finish typing your bio, make sure to save it by clicking Done at the top right corner. Your bio will now appear on your profile and be visible to other learners. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.